Hello, we are at 999 Bush and this is apartment 204. Studio apartment. Here we are coming in the front door of the unit. Hardwood in this main room of the studio. We've got tile in the kitchen and bathroom. Got some nice original built-ins there. Nice high ceilings. Okay, heater there, electric wall-mounted heater. Coat closet, you can see the breaker box is there in the coat closet. These windows are facing east in terms of exposure, and that building next door is the Mayflower Hotel, for those of you that are familiar with the neighborhood. In terms of bed size, I think a full or a queen would be best in this unit. And here is the cable for Xfinity, otherwise known as Comcast. Okay, now we are going to pass through to the bathroom. Okay, we've got clawfoot tub, shower over tub, pedestal sink, mirrored medicine chest, beige tile floor. Okay, and please excuse this shower curtain that's being taken down so a new one can be put up. Okay, towel bar, and of course a window for ventilation. Okay, so that's the bathroom. And there is this closet area that you pass through. Here, nice big shelf along the top and a bar for hanging clothes. The prior tenant actually had a little dresser in here, which I thought was a great idea. Okay, back through the main room and here to the kitchen. Nice, brand new, renovated kitchen, all white cabinets. Got marble countertops, a fridge, gas stove, and more cabinets here on this side, along with the kitchen sink. All right, got a charging station for your phone here, and some under cabinet lighting as well. Okay, so that is a quick look at the unit. If you're interested, please get in touch, and I'm happy to send you an invitation to the next virtual open house. Thanks so much for watching.